Hi everybody, good evening. I think this one it's a new. I didn't see it before. I have a long time I didn't. What's this one? Copy pasted at the end it said check your filters. Now if I go copy paste as always, I do inspect, I do my network, disable cache and persistent logs. So easy peasy. So sign up. So just a normal. What I'm doing, Jail and local.com, make a password and login. Now, first of all, now we're looking for, yeah, I tell you this filter. Where you see the filter? If you go here, there is of course the collection. You can see it's already there. So the public one, you think that's not the filter. There's more GS inside. It's not. You can see it's not reflecting in your Firefox. So this one is dead end, but also this one is very interesting because if you read which one, clear filter, this one, it gives you some idea, this file here. It say, no, this one is an old one. You can see it's also filter, title, search, API helper, but this one is snippet API public. There was another one before this one, but I don't think it's, okay, we'll test now. As if you can see is there. If I click public or private, and okay, if you go there, let's create first of all new collection, call it test description, my test collection, so we can see what's going on. Leave it private. If I create there, let's clear this one. So if I put all, the all endpoint is going to collection, but the public endpoint is going to look what is going filter and visibility. When you see this bracket, is like almost like it's a Node.js. If you go to a private one, it's the same type of category. You can see it's going to API collection and filter visibility. You see the bracket here, so you can see it clearly here when you do the bracket. This is more NoSQL ID. When you see these things, Node.js, possibly NoSQL injection type of things. So if I take this one and start play with it, so let's play with it for a moment. So we have now, this is just Firefox. Let's make it so because so everybody so you can see exactly Firefox will do the encoding automatic. So if I do private, response is mine. So my response is the one that we just create now. So the question, where is the flag? The flag should be in other idea, because remember, if you open new tab, remember we talk about, you can do the same idea we saw here. You can see it's doing filter, title, things like that, so you can play with it. So I know user ID you can say but first of all you can play with it first. If I do empty, what exactly it give me? Nothing. Even if you put something there, it just reject it. So we know visibility, it work in private, for example mine, but it show only mine. So the question is, how about I use the ID field here? If I put ID, for example, 1 does nothing. Okay, so ID 2 it just does nothing, does 3. So it means why is not showing anything? So remember, mine it was ID number 4. Where is it? Why is not showing? So ID is not showing. Okay, so if I do user ID, it was mine, it was user ID, ID 5, user ID 5. So I have ID 5, let's try, it's again doesn't. So, but you can play this one. The first thing you can think about it is, for example, you can go to visibility as we got it, visibility equal, let's say, private, because we play with NoSQL injection. You can see mine, so it's an ID 4 is ID 5. You can think, for example, the classic not, for example, where's the dollar dot not equal, for example, you can see it just, no, it doesn't. So it doesn't, it's for me it's dead. NE, or not equal visibility, not private, not public, for example. We get mine, so you can see the NoSQL work, but where it doesn't work for us, for example, we can try try to say a name, but what is the name here? User ID name test. So let's remove this one. Let's not make a video quick. So test, and it keeps, so the name is working. If I do name 3, you don't, because the name, so name does give me the result, but for some reason the ID didn't work before. Why the ID didn't work? It's like ID 4 is dead, so the name worked, the ID doesn't work for some reason. Why doesn't name test? Now let's play with the user ID. So public visibility, you can see it called visibility. Now let's call the user. Why the user ID didn't work, for sake of argument? User ID is 5. It's just given. So when you filter it directly, it doesn't give it to you. Oh, hold on. So we need to do some SQL injection here. So user ID. It's like it's filter or something. So not equal. So not equal mine, for example. If you see that, look and see, I got all of them. For some reason, you need to SQL injection it for it to work, and that's your flag, because you use or you can use because 5 is my user ID, or you can use equal, and I can get number 1. Database error, 1 is not there. Why? 2. So now we can confirm is an SQL injection. Why the equal is killing it? I would like to see the code. 5. So this one through let's do a greater, for example. You can do also greater equal 5. Oh no, it's dead. This one greater equal 1. So again, so the GT doesn't. You can do the other classic one. In, and let's break it. How come it doesn't work for me? User ID in. It's also dead, so that one doesn't. How about 2? I'm just showing the play with it. So I'm very surprised why this one doesn't not equal. Remove this. Not equal to 5. So not equal work, but greater than doesn't. Greater 5, 1 doesn't. In any case, yes, let's not waste time. So we know the classic not equal. Not equal 1, it does it give me? Oh, you can see, you can do any not equal 1, it kill. We don't get the that's 1. User ID 2, so the ID is 2. So you can just put not equal 5s to get you the whole list of the others. That's it. Yeah, no, hold on a minute. Not equal 5, but it show me is 5, all of that. Yes, this is a very strange SQL injection. It shows ID 5 too. Interesting. Filter user ID not equal 5 does show all of them. In any case, guys, this is a NoSQL possible injection. I'm not sure what's the code in the background, but you can see it's in user ID 2. You get the flag there. Okay, thank you everybody. If you have a question, let me know. Have a good day.